Hello, folks. It's Wendy with New Bern Now, and guess where I am? I'm here with Mo Howland at Shop Class in New Bern on Guion Street. And guess what? It's time to get your belt sanders ready. Right, Mo?
Yes, Wendy. We're going to have the belt sander drag race again this year. It'll be September 19th from 1 to 4. And again, we'll be running the belt sander drag races in accordance with the IBDA. That's the International Belt Sander Drag Race Association. Therefore, we'll have 3 classes. We'll have the stock division, the modified division, and the ever popular best decorated division. So start getting your belt sanders hopped up and lubered up and ready to go, because we're going to rumble on September 19th.
Yeah, and you got a really cool one in front of you, and that was by John.
This was 2019 Best Decorated Belt Sander. And it was done by Jonathan Berger, and it's called the Screamin' Stanley Eagle. And it's welded up, and so this is a good representation. If I can lift this up, good representation of a decorated belt sander. But if you want the real rules, you need to go to shopclass-nb.com, and you'll find a tab for the belt sander drag race. And in that tab, you'll find the rules. And it'll tell you what this track will be like, and what modifications, what justifies being modified over a stock belt sander. So please join us for belt sander drag racing. Doesn't get any finer. We've already signed up. The official beer for belt sander drag race, of course, is Brewery 99.
Woohoo!
And Hot Buttered Grits will be the band playing before the festivities start.
All right.
And so we have a special guest MC this year too. It'll be Wendy's friend George Oliver.
Oh my gosh, George.
So this ought to be a lot of fun this year.
Great time, yeah, and I see you're going to have food trucks, a beer tent, and the proceeds are going to the Volt Center for Workforce Development Scholarships. That is amazing.
Yes, 2019 we were able to raise $1,600 for the Volt Center. So this year we want to exceed that, because it's a very good, it's kind of a good synergy between us and the Volt Center. They're the professionals, we're for the hobbyists, and so we get along well.
And if people have not been to Shop Class, you have to come, because you have just all kinds of tools. You want to tell people equipment, like major equipment. You want to tell people a little bit about it?
Yes. Shop Class has the best tools. We know we got better tools than you have in your garage. We use a lot of Powermatic. Our table saw is the saw stop, of course, and then we have a lot of Festool. If you're not familiar with Festool, it's a German company that makes really good tools at really high prices, but we like them here. So we have a lot of Festool, and we don't have it, I'd be surprised, but anyway, come by. We've got quite extensive woodworking, wood turning, and then we have a metal shop. We teach introduction to welding, so we got 4 MIG machines, we got benders, we got grinders, horizontal band saws in the metals department, and we can handle it here. And we also teach. We have several woodworking classes. We have a beginning welding class and introduction to welding class, and we just completed a stained glass class. We probably won't have another one until the fall, but anyway, stay tuned for that.
So if people want to sign up, we have a comment. Amy says Shop Class is awesome. The teachers are the best. And so
Did you say handsome too?
Oh, I think it says handsome. Amy, is that what you meant? Where was it going? Shop Class, if you can sign up. So how do you it's a membership fee, right?
Well, we have several different ways. First of all, you got to be qualified on equipment, and if you're not qualified, we highly recommend you take one of our classes, which will get you qualified on equipment. But if you got some experience, come in and we'll check you out and make sure you're qualified. And we've got 3 pay plans for using the shop. One's $12.50 an hour, pay as you go, And that's mainly used by boaters. They come running in here with their hair on fire and they've got to get something done because they're leaving tomorrow. And then most of my people are on what I call pay in advance. Pay me $80, that buys you 8 hours of shop time. You can use it as you need it, and it's on the honor system. You keep track of the time, not me. And then the third way is the people that I see more of than my wife. They pay me $120 a month, and that buys them membership to shop class, and they're able to come and use facilities when the shop's open during shop hours. And they also get some extra perks, like they get their own locker and they get to store the project here. So come and join us. Have fun.
Fantastic. And Mo, thank you so much. And for all the details, visit shopclass-nb as in newbern.com. And here's the flyer for the belt sander drag race. So that's September 19th from 1 to 4, and shop class is located at 406 Guion Street in New Bern. So y'all have any questions for Mo? Anybody? Going. That's it. Thank you, Mo. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Bye-bye.